I would like to congratulate Dr. B. Sekhar and his team for choosing this topic, which is very, very relevant. I also thank to Director Sir for his consistent motivation and monitoring to organize this FDP successfully. Dear participants, in this 5 days event, you are going to witness wonderful lectures from the eminent speakers who are from foreign, abroad, as well as in-house speakers. And our in-house speaker, I would like to throw a glimpse. Brief introduction will be given during the session. So I have just a glimpse that our speaker Sanjay sir is from. You will witness within few minutes his lecture, and I am sure you will be very happy. You will feel that your knowledge, your information has been improved. After that, we have Jyoti Kumar Sinha sir from UK. In the last day, he will also interact with you people. His lecture, I have witnessed his lecture in one of the symposium at IIT Delhi. So I know the way he speaks, the way he delivers his lecture. In house, we have faculty members. Dr. Anis is there, Dr. Om Prakash is there. Who are having exposure, research exposure from France and Israel. So they are also going to add very, very valuable information to you people. My advice, my request, please attend all the sessions sincerely, be interactive, be disciplined. This is going to help you a lot during your research. Your 1 year MTech scholars, your 1 year is very short period, and this is going to boost your completing the thesis work. The topics are included how to write research paper and thesis. This is very, very important because when I was doing my PhD or MTech, there was no coursework and I don't know how to write this, that. So I know how much struggle I have done or my colleague have done. You will be very find comfortable yourself once you have completed, attended this FDP with full enthusiasm. ऐसा नहीं बस अटेंड कर रहे हैं सोए और चले गए. थोड़ा सा आप अटेंटिव होकर अटेंड करेंगे, बहुत फायदा होगा. इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल. आई वुड लाइक टू thank once again all the members who are organizing this FDP. All the best. Thank you very much.
Engineering has organized this workshop because research methodology always, whenever you join any research program or the PG program, the first question you is talking how to identify a problem. I would like to quote Dr. Vishal Sikka, the ex-CEO of Infosys. He once said that when I was doing research in the US, my guide used to say that half of your work is done if you identify a real problem. Because the research is searching the truth. The previously unknown, previously unanswered question, unanswered problem, you are going to identify, you are going to provide a solution, you are going to that. We have used the semiconductor gap, the band gap in semiconductor. Then people started thinking, why it can't be an optical band gap? It was not there. Then people started working in optical band gap. So one of the researchers also took the problem that it was retained in the fiber that the attenuation cannot be gone below 0.2 dB per kilometer. Then one of the scientists started doing work, why it can't go beyond. See, so any constraint is a research problem for you. And then he came with the crazy idea of creating an optical band gap, and the new emergence of the technology came there, and the PCF. So scientists around the Germany started working, and the photonic crystal fiber came into the market. But when photonic crystal came into the market, it was a new fiber, but people started working, the same strength is there. Then another group of researchers started working, what is the bending loss, what are the other losses, right? What is the compatibility losses? If air can be injected, why the other material can't be injected? So this way the research progresses. So identify the research gap, and I am thankful to my friend Professor Sanjay Shukla from Australia. We are going to listen Professor Shukla 7 research mantra, right? So once again I am thankful to Kalam Sahab and Professor Vineet Sekhar and his team for organizing this workshop, and I hope within this 5 days or 6 days workshop you will have identification of your problem. You will be having a different approach, because we are living in the era of IT. There were many tools that we were knowing in 1950s and 1960s, but computational speed was not fast enough. Now we have the software components, software tools, so you are using the soft optimization methods through which you are able to find a non-deterministic solution of a non-deterministic problem. Earlier we were taking the problem of deterministic solution. So that is a possible in this IT era. This AI and big data science tools are available. So the research speed is now fast because of these powerful tools. So I hope some of the research scholars, some of the speakers will be also throwing some light on the latest modern tools of doing the research. With the hope, thank you very much and have a nice time. And once again, I welcome all of you.
Technological University, Delhi. He is graduated in 1988 with a first-class degree with distinction in civil engineering from VIT Sindri. He earned master.
Okay. If my slides are visible, okay. Honorable Director, VIT Sindri, my friend Professor D.K. Dr. Muhammad Abul Kalam, Head of the Department, Electrical Engineering, distinguished guests, learned faculty members, all genius research candidates, students, ladies and gentlemen. Very good morning from Perth, Australia. My time has become so I can say we are in the same time zone. I am honored to be with you all for delivering my experience related to research. Especially, I am going to share 7 research mantras which may help our young researchers. And I noticed that VIT Sindri has 350 research candidates, including 75 PhD candidates. I think this is a very good strength as far as the human resources are concerned. I would like to mention that this workshop, as it is being organized for 1 week, with title research methodology and research paper writing, is essentially required for most researchers, including experienced ones, because even though I can claim that I education policy 2020 with a focus on research, because we are discussing about research, you need to know some basic plans as this national education policy has been implemented. Then I would like to mention about basic aspects of research and innovation, and finally I will cover my 7 research mantras, as there is a need to follow by all in the current 21st century and beyond. We are talking about sustainable research, we are talking about no carbon emission, we are talking about no climate change effect. Certainly, our focus should be on the doing main research, because we as an individual, we have limited time as a student, as a faculty member, as a researcher. So how to utilize